It's Mexican Monday, and I'm in the mood of something a little different, Vanessa style. How about some peachy pulled pork tacos? And for this dish, I absolutely love the pork shoulder. As this cooks down, it's gonna be literally falling apart and perfectly tender. I've just seasoned this with a little bit of thyme, and I love garam masala. It's got a little bit of clove and cinnamon and cardamom, and it's really gonna make that peach flavor in this pop. And in my earlier days, I used to go to Mexico so often, and one of my favorite things to eat when I was there was a taco, which is why I'm always finding new ways to change it up. Now listen to this. Yeah! Nice little sizzle. Here's when you know it's time to turn. Look at that color. Nice little crest on this. And now for a little peach nectar. I love this. It's so sweet, and my grandparents used to buy us this as a little treat. They come in glass bottles. They're so good. But wait, there's more. Smells so good. Lime, a bite of garlic, sweetened with brown sugar and allspice. The pressure's on, and these are gonna go from pork cubes to the perfect pulled pork in no time. I mean, who does not love the smell of basil? It's actually one of my favorite herbs. And here's my tip to making sure that it stays bright and green, especially if you're making something fresh with it, like a salsa. I just stack up my basil leaves like this, and instead of rolling, because that's gonna just bruise them, you lightly press and make nice thin strips. It's gonna stay bright and vibrant for hours. Now, a little peach is in the pot, and a little is gonna go on top. Look at this combination of colors. You know, you really do eat with your eyes first. Isn't it beautiful? It's really fresh, and I love those pops of flavor from the peppers and the onions. That's gonna be the perfect topper for my pork. Speaking of pork, it's ready. Pressure's off. Oh my gosh. As soon as this opens, it smells so good. And look at that nice, rich color. I mean, spices and sweetness. Look how quick this is. It just falls apart. This is gonna make the perfect base for this taco. Okay, here goes. Little pork. And because the pork is nice and hot, I'm gonna put this sharp cheddar cheese right over top. It'll even melt a little. Then, this fresh salsa. Look at the color of this basil. Just 2 more to go. Does this scream fiesta or what? Meals like this on a Monday get me so excited for the week ahead. Okay, I need to try this. These flavors are gonna get you dancing. I love that pork. It's sort of sweet, and you taste a little tang from that lime juice. Wow, and I love that salsa. It's a pop of freshness.